is a short tutorial on how to install any Forex trading board, Forex raw board, Forex EA, whatever you call it, on MT4 successfully in 5 minutes. The first thing you need to do is to locate where your board file is. Currently, this is where I have my board file, so you just have to go to where I load my board file, which is Ekantrade. Okay, here is the board file. If you check this, please pay attention to this. I have a two file here. I have two file here. First one here is the main EX4. This is the main MT4 Forex board. Take note of this. It always ends with EX4. Why this particular one here is a set file. If you notice this particular one here, it ends with .set. This is a set file. So what you need to do is to copy the main robot file. Just tap like this, and then you're going to see this option. Click on copy. Good. Then take it to your MT4. When getting to your MT4, you're going to see this option file. Take note of this. This is going to open. Then you'll see this option here, open data folder. This is where to load the board. So what you're going to do, just tap on it 2 times, right? And it's going to take you here. All you need to do is to come over to this option MQL4. Tap on it 2 times. It's going to open, and then you see this option expert. We want to install our expert advisor, our Forex trading board, our Forex AI board. What you need to do, click on expert. Then this is going to open. I think I have the board already installed here. Let me delete it and install again. Then you notice we already copied the board file. All you need to do is to tap on it again, right click. All you need to do is to right click, then click on paste. Good. You notice we have installed the bot successfully, but this is not all. Then the next step is to close this and then come over to this option here. Come over to this option. Let me remove this. Come over to view, right? And then locate navigator. Click on navigator. After clicking on navigator, you're going to see this option indicators, expert advisors. Tap on this plus icon here. Boom. After you tap on it, you come over to this expert advisor, right click, and then click on refresh. Boom. You notice the board would appear just like this. So this is how simple it is to install the board perfectly. The next step is to drag the board to your chart. And please be aware, before you load any board on your chart, before dragging the board to the chart, take note of this option here, auto trading. You see here, it's red. It shows red. And if you tap on it, you'll see this notification here, enable automated trading. Enable automated trading. What you need to do, make sure it's on green. Turn it on. Whenever it's on green like this, it means it's turned on. Then also make sure you come over to this option, because some bots require you to turn this on. Come over to this option, tools, right? You see this option, options. Click on it and make sure this 2 option here is allow DDL import, allow web, whatever. The 2, make sure you see how my own is. Boom. Tap on OK. That means you are ready to trade. And then the next step is to check out the instruction they give you on the particular board you are using. Example, there's some board they'll ask you to put it on 1 minute time frame. There's some board they'll ask you to put it on 5 minutes time frame. There's some they'll ask you to put it on 4-hour time frame. On our own, this is our current update of our community board. Ekantrade Scalper AI board is recommended on 5 minutes time frame. Then all we need to do is to come over to this option, switch to 5 minutes. Good. After switching to 5 minutes, then the next step is to, let's remove this. The next step is to come over to view, click on navigator again, and this would pop up. All we need to do is to right click, just like this, drag the board to the chart. Boom. After dragging the board to the chart, these are the board input. This is the board input. This is the board input. If you check our board data here, you see ekantrade.com. This is our website. If you want to know more about our community trading board, kindly go to our website ekantrade.com to know more about our board, and also this is our YouTube channel. Then the next step is, some board provide a set file. Some board will just require you to go ahead and load the board like this, which is drag and drop, 100% drag and drop. All we need to do is type on OK, right? And if it's a bot that trades 24/7, it will start trading automatically. Then some bot provide set file. Some bot provider give you a set file. How do you load the set file? Simple. Let's check it out, how to get it done. So after dragging the bot to the chart, Let me start from taking the board to the chart again. Let me remove this. Okay. All right, good and fine. So after getting to this option here, input, this is where to load any set file they gave you. If there's a particular set file they give you, all right. On our own, we have a set file. Then all we need to do is to come over to this option here and tap on load. You see this option, tap on load, then locate where you save it. Currently on my own, I save it on this file here, Ekantrade FX AI board. All right, you can see the set file here, Ekantrade Scalping. You see where it end .set. It means it's a set file. We click on open. Good. Immediately we open, everything have been loaded, all the settings have been loaded, and the only thing you are required to change is maybe either your volume. Example on this board here, if you want to change your lot size, right? All you need to do is to come over to this option here. You see fixed lot mode. You see fixed lot. If you want to use fixed lot, maybe you want to use a particular lot size to be trading, and if you want to do by percent, all we need to is to allow by percent. And then if we look at this point here, take profit in pips, percent lot. All right, then the next step is to put how many percent of your account you want to risk in per trade. Maybe you want to be using 0.5. All right, maybe you want to be using 0.1 or 0.2, whatever you wish. All right, but on my own end, I'm using fixed lot size, right? So what I do is to tap on fixed lot. Then you see this option fixed lot, right? Then maybe I feel like using 0.02 to be trading. Then you go ahead and click on OK. Your board is installed successfully. So this is how simple it is to install any MT4 trading board successfully without error. And if there's anything you don't understand, kindly drop a comment below. I would attend to you. Or if there's any video you want me to do on my next video, I would attend to you.